All right. All right. We've got a little bit more to do with magic, and then we can work on some other stuff, but probably not today. Ooh, I forgot to put on some music. Also, OneDrive is going to crash my stream. Let's put some music on. Let's try this playlist. Hey, Cram, what's up? Hey, Lewis. You're back for more. Welcome back. Yeah, I'm starting a bit late. Shorter stream today, but I did finish my YouTube video, which is good. So I want to finish up Magic. I think. Well, there's a couple things I need to do. Right now, it doesn't take any runes to cast a spell. So obviously that needs to change. Also, I really like this aiming system, but for my game, because I'm going to have so many different shapes and sizes for this, it's just not practical, unfortunately. Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm gonna go back to the other version. I like it though. I really like it, but it's just not gonna work for Dreams. It's too hard to do. You can't wait for the game to be a demo of sorts. I mean, you can play it right now, but I think I know what you mean. Yeah, I want to get that vertical slice done, but before I do that, I need to like finish the base mechanics first, and then I can build out the world. I'm looking forward to that. So, am I gonna delete this is the question. And then and then what do I even do? Like, I like how there's a max range, but hey, Billow. Yeah, I was debating not even streaming, but this length of a stream is gonna work for today because I'm just doing some finishing things with Magic. I'm not making any new spells or anything. It's just you know, it's coming together so fast. Thanks. Yeah, it definitely helps that I spent like 5-ish months on V2. Like we're only on day. This is stream 26, right? It's not literally day 26, but it's stream 26. And we're in it. We're doing it. Now about this. I really just want to stick with simplicity. Like, I like how there's a max range, but I don't like the jank. Why is this movable? Instead of making it disappear, you know what? Okay, for this version, maybe I do put like a ring around the player to be the range. I like that. I actually kind of like that. So we have this laser scope. I say we make it max. And then all we need to do now is calculate how far away this is from the player. I think that makes the most sense. So we should be transmitting player position. We are good. I am going to receive that. Hey, Fluff. What's the plan to finish Magic? That's a great question. Hey, Sketch. Thank you for letting us be a part of the action. Of course. So I want spells to cost runes. Right now they're free. I want to figure out what I'm doing for spellcast, for the reticle. And I'd like to get spikes that fit my vision a little bit more. These are going to make amazing cave stalagmites, though. But I'm thinking more... Well, you'll see. And then, if we have time, I'd like to display the ammo and weapon you have equipped. I think that would be kind of nice. So that's the plan for today. For tonight. So let's receive the player's position eventually. And we are going to compare it to this position. And actually, what we can do, we don't even need a tag. This is the position. So you can subtract like this. Now, this should give us distance, but I think we want to pass it through a slider first. So much easier to just do a number displayer, honestly. Both work, but like a number displayer is just, I don't know. All you have to do is make it invisible. Then you pass it through there, and then you take it out there. And if this, and now we just need to get the range and check if it's less than whatever the range is. And actually, I don't know, let's see what we get, all right? And it's not working at the moment. Cool. Where is it? I'm curious. Do you guys see that box? Is it this? Oh, it's this. Oh, it is working. It was just rounding. Okay. Okay, that's fair. Oh, no, it's not working. What's going on? The number's not changing. Does this not work? Does subtraction not work? What's going on with this? I'm really confused right now. Is this the fat wire issue? Oh my gosh. Hey, we're playing out. Okay, oxygen not included. And never station here's again. Yovork, I believe we have two. We either have 2 or 3 more stationary streams. Boom had like 100,000 points. He had more than 100,000 points. I believe he's redeemed it 4 times. Yeah, but we will play Oxygen Not Included next. Hey, sir. What's up? I did not see his racer. How is that coming? Is it playable? I guess is my first question. All right, I'm thinking we need to make them not fat wires earlier. Which I didn't think I would have to do. Oh, I know what's going on. I know what's going on. So here, guys, it's, what are we splitting? So this is the position. I bet you this is not the position. Yeah, see. So we need to subtract just the positions. Then we put it in here. This number will change. There we go. Okay, what's the range? I don't know. How about 5? Let's see what happens. This is irrelevant. It's always going to hit. Is this hitting literally anything that's collidable? No, it's not that one. It was this one. Yeah, it's just going for everything, which is fine. This one is used for shooting, for bow and arrow and stuff, yeah. But that's okay. We have this one, which is going to hit, oh, we want it to hit target as well. Do we? We always, yeah, we do. We always want it to hit something. Okay, so this is irrelevant now. Now what we want is to check if the range, to check if this distance is greater than whatever the range is. What is the range? It depends on the spell. It depends on the spell, so let's go into the spell. So here's one spell, here's another spell. I mean, only some of them. So like this is going to turn on the reticle. And this is just the reticle. This isn't like the spell or anything like that. So, but that's fine. So I potentially will have a bunch of different reticles in here depending on the spell. What is this? This is the spike attack, right? Basic AoE, sure. Let's just do that. So yeah. And then so again, there's going to be a bunch in here. There's only going to be one of these though, and this will depend on whatever the spell's range is. This is the spell's, this is on, that means, wait. When are we aiming? We're aiming when this is held down. So you know what? Let's just keyframe the range. How about that? That's not what I wanted. Maybe we can just keyframe this slider like this. Although, I don't like that. I like being able to see it. So what I'll do is this. So now I can actually set this range. And then we can transmit this number. Aiming range, sure. Now, yes, this is using slightly more gadgets, but the clarity is worth it. So we're looking for magic aiming range. Right there. So if this number is less than the aiming range, you can aim. Now we have a tag called magic in range. If that tag is on, what is this timer? No, that's not what I want. Yeah. if that tag is on, if magic in range is on, if I can get to it. Okay. If that tag is on, and this timer completes, this timer is just to prevent a bug. Don't worry about that. Basically, if this tag is on, then we're allowed to cast. Then we're allowed to fire. Okay. If we're in range. And another thing we can do, actually, we don't want to do this. We don't want to power on this entire thing because we want the reticle to be red, right? Hey, Frank. Checking out an attempt I did at local exclusive gate some time ago. I don't know if it would actually be useful, but it kind of works. I've also made something like that. I would like to see it. Can you give me the link? My computer racer looks amazing. Dude, I didn't even ask. Piece of Craft just wanted to make a computer and brand it with Acer, which I find hilarious. Hey, Joe. I just want to go fishing in this game. You can right now. You can right now. Oh, Frank, I thought those were headphones. No, that's a fish. That's a lure and fish, isn't it? That's funny. I didn't, wow. Right, so if we're in range. Well, I mean, the keyframe's gonna turn this on, right? So what I want to do is check if we're not in range. And if we're out of range, I just make it red. Right? And then if we're in range, or if we're not out of range, then we're in range. Does this work? I don't know. Let's find out. So remember the range. Did we even set the range? We didn't. No, we set the range to 0.3. Okay. How about we do 5? Yeah, 5. There you go. So, yes, it doesn't. Yeah, notice how it doesn't cast. You just do the weird little. But then it casts if you. Oh, mother. Oh, nope. I think it worked. Okay, now. So now that we changed the reticle thing, it's not emitting at the right position, which is all right. It's not a hard fix. But what do I want to do here? I had it wired in, which is frankly not what I want at all. Okay, the wire is not deleted. Now it is. What I want to do... What do I want to do? I mean, I want the position, and then I want to save the position once I cast. So here, this tag is the position. Oh my God, I keep doing that. It's literally this, guys. This is what I want. So let's just transmit that. Wait, but can't I just wire it in? Why don't I just wire it in? Why do I have to like... Because I don't want a lot of wires going into this. That's why. So, but what's the point? Like, what's the point of transmitting? No, I mean, honestly, what I should do is transmit it from this chip. But that would add even more delay. Why don't I just wire it, honestly? All right, because I don't want to shit my wires. All right, I'm going to transmit it. So magic, this is aim position. Okay, and we're going to receive that in here. Now, it's a little more tricky than that, though, because we need to... We need the position to be saved once you cast, so that during the cast animation, if you move your aim, it doesn't actually change where it casts. Alternatively, we could just emit the spell and then delay the spell. That's a lot more intuitive than whatever the hell I was about to do. That's a lot more intuitive, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to... Well, the problem with that is if we change the cast speed of the spell... If we change its animation speed, it'll be out of sync. Shit. So, never mind. We're going to just save the position. Okay, so let's receive magic position. Hey, Zico. There's got to be a way to lock the cursor to a certain range. There is, dude. We figured it out. We figured it out. It's just... I mean... If string, that could potentially do something. The string, we could literally like tie it to the character, but I don't know. Hey, Mezzy. Okay, we're looking for magic position, aim position, yeah. Now, here's the tricky part. We want to save this. Well, it's not that tricky. We want to save this once the cast starts. So during this not gate, we lock this position. We freeze it like that. And then we're gonna wire the position in here. Okay. Looks good to me. Let's try it. So we're casting. Okay, now we're gonna cast and then move. There you go. Look at that. So we're properly saving the position. Can I prove that? I think I can prove that by doing this. Ready? So I will display the position, and you'll notice that you see the position, and then when I let go, it freezes. See? Now, obviously, this is just a single number, and a position is a vector with 3 numbers. Don't worry about that. But, see? So we are properly freezing the position now. Awesome. That's all I wanted to do for this. I have a nice template here to add as many spells as I want, as well as many reticles as I want. Again, we opted not to use this because of thermo. That's it, because of thermo. This is still nice. I like how I like how the reticle doesn't disappear when you're out of range. It just turns red. And it gives you a way to cancel the spell too. You just release when you're out of range, which is kind of nice, I guess. There are strings and dreams. Oh my god. You're not the first to make that joke. You could have the backboard that the laser scope hits move closer or further based on range. I mean, the problem with that is wouldn't the reticle just be floating at that point? Yeah. That's a cool idea though. Move it closer based on, yeah, because that would literally just prevent you from okay, so yeah, how would that work? Basically, you would have, for the distance, you would have the backboard, and then for the height, you would have a laser scope pointing down, I guess. So for the Y value only, wow, that would actually work. Shit, man, that would actually work. Well, let's try it. That would actually work. What the hell? Okay. Wow. I mean, this backboard specifically is for this. I mean, can we do this in a neat way? So we have this follower, right? What we want is the Y position. Specifically. I mean, yeah, to be the laser scope, right? And then the backboard would move based on the range. Now, the question is, can I just, like, will moving the backboard like that affect anything else? Like, if I just move the backboard, I mean, this backboard is only being used right now for aiming, for arrows and stuff. And I'd have to keyframe this tag, basically. Right? I mean, I like this solution more than the slider solution that we had. This should only detect scenery. Scenery is the ground in this game. And we always want this laser scope to be above ground, so we're gonna put it really high up. So it should always be hitting something. And then we're getting the hit position, we're getting the Y, and then we're following the Y position. And the reason we're doing this is because the head tracker hit position isn't necessarily hitting the ground. It might hit the backboard, right? Because the backboard is changing, the distance is changing. So as a test, let's just hard code it really close. So okay, I feel a disturbance in the force. Okay, maybe we don't make this collidable. How about that? What is going on, man? Holy shit. Wait, I guess we could make it collidable, but then make it not collide with anything. But what's the point of that? That's why. We want it collidable so it works with that. So actually, yeah, let's just do this. Better. That's brilliant, man. What's up, buddy? How's it going, Pac? You're right. There was a way. There was a way to do it without using sliders. This is brilliant. Yeah. All right. All right. Let's figure out this now. So let's have the minimum range be 1. Well, that's the thing. Like, how do I keyframe this now? I need to just like, what is going on? Oh my God, I'm just trying to slide this. Holy shit. So what I need to do now is find this hit distance, all right, which I'm already displaying. How is that 14? Oh, it's because I'm not playing there. Okay, that's 2. I just want to start it with a distance of 1, I guess. Oh, no. Distance from the player, not from the camera. Distance from the player is what's important. What am I displaying right now? I want to display... Oh man, what do I want to display? I want to display player position minus... Wait, this is what I wanted to display. Why wasn't that giving me the number I expected? Oh, no, it is. Yeah, that's exactly the number I expected. So, is it? This is gonna, the problem with this is it's gonna be hard to keyframe it properly. So like, how do I translate this method into like actual numbers? If that makes sense. So like this, for example, we have this. Here's the hip position. If we just take the Y of that, it'll be like here. So then we're getting, well, actually, yeah, the box is right there. We put the box here, the player position here. So this is a range of whatever this distance is. Is that, yeah. Which apparently is 2.3. I guess it doesn't even matter. This can just be one range. It literally doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter. Aw, Rockstar. You hate me because I'm noob? Yeah, it's true. Honestly, that's understandable. Okay. Yeah, I guess we just make it completely arbitrary. So let's go in here. Let's add a chip. What's my favorite gadget? That's a tough question. Probably the Rumbler. No. My favorite gadget is the exclusive gate. It's so powerful. Exclusive gate. And then maybe the keyframe. Yours is the microchip. Fair enough. Yeah, that's fair. All right, what's max range? How about that? I don't know. And don't we like, yeah, aiming range? So we don't even need this anymore. It's always going to be in range. We're always in range. Huh. That's cool. Let's get the aiming range. And we need to convert this into a number from 0 to 1. What is the max? So I just wanted 0 to 100. Yeah, it already is 0 to 100. That's what we're going to do. And to convert that from 0 to 100 to 0 to 1, to convert that, we can just use a calculator. I like using a counter just because, I don't know, it's easier, I guess. Oh, but it's important to note that you can't actually have 0 range. So really it's 1 to 100. Does that even matter? I'm not sure if that matters, but we're gonna take the count progress and put it into the playhead like that. So this is handling our range. We're gonna make this the backboard visible and see what it looks like. Also, hey Jellyfish, how's it going? We want the default range to be max unless stated otherwise. How do we do that? I mean, if the range is 0, then turn it off. But then when this is off, oh, no. This is what we want. So this is a little bit hacky though. Shouldn't this just be like current aiming range? Something like that. Keep in mind, this is only used for certain things. So this is the magic aiming range. This should just be combat aiming range. That's what this is. And we will set the aiming range here. Somewhere. I guess it would be this. Let's put it here. Yeah, at least XOR gates have a purpose. The OR gate is literally useless. Don't shame logic. Give us nothing. Yeah, Zypher, I completely agree, dude. We need a null. That would be really cool. I don't think they're gonna do that though. Oh my goodness. All right, combat aiming range. We are receiving that here. Number from 0 to 100. Okay, let's try it. So here's our aiming range currently. I'm a little bit it's kind of hard to see. There you go. So notice how our aiming range changes depending on what we're casting, which is kind of cool. That's not bad at all, actually. Now here's the real test. What if we do the bow? And there you go. The aiming range goes back. Look at that. Wand, aiming range goes back in, and then it changes depending on the skill we cast. And then aiming range literally just isn't used for this spell. Oh, shoot. Okay, so here's an issue. The spell is hitting the backboard. So maybe we do want aiming range up for that spell. Although, won't it just like collide? What is that spell colliding with? Where's my spell? Here it is. Why did I do this? Why is this in a separate chip? You know what? Doesn't matter. Okay, I can't. Okay, what is this detecting? Oh. No, you're not gonna hit the backboard. that's no. In fact, you're only going to look for foes and scenery. I don't really know what I was thinking with that. Oh, wait. What about trees? Are trees, is tree a scenery? Honestly, this should be scenery plus something else. Fuck. Okay, machine. It's machine. Interesting. It's tough because I just wanted to hit everything that's collidable. Except you. And then what is this? Is this something else? And apparently mining stuff is a weapon. I need to change that. I don't even know how I would change that though, because the health modifier is what uses that. I mean, I could just do that. Yeah, let's just do that. All right. But that just feels so wrong. It needs to be collidable though. I guess, does it need to be collidable? I guess it doesn't. So now, but what about this? No, sorry, this one. But now the issue is, this is only detecting collidable things. What is this being used for? It's used for the arrow. Well, that doesn't matter. So, like, it's tough because, like, I don't know. Can I use the label names? Not for this, unfortunately. It'd be amazing if I could use, if laser scopes could use the naming, but alas, they do not. Piece of craft. For the trees in the ore. Again, I don't think so because I'm using a health modifier for those. Frank. All right, I mean, I can do it in a way that just works right now, and then we'll figure it out later, I guess. So we're gonna make it collidable, and then we're gonna only make the magic things collide with foes, scenery, machines, or weapons, which are the trees and ore. Like, I mean, that covers everything, I guess. Okay, what about this, though? What about the arrows? So, yeah, again... Okay, maybe we should just have a separate backboard, but like a non-collidable backboard. Maybe that's what we should do. So if we have this backboard, right? Is this the second one? Let's have a backboard. A magic backboard. How about that? Oh. So backboard position's always going to be the same, which can be that, I guess. It doesn't really matter. And then we'll have a second backboard that teleports to magic position. This backboard is going to be target non-collidable. Okay? Now, specifically for this laser scope, we're hitting scenery or target. It does not matter if it's collidable or not. That's important. Shouldn't the default position? Okay, I want the default to be closer. Okay. So now this should not interfere with anything aside from this laser scope, which is detecting target and scenery, and it does not matter if it's collidable or not. All the other stuff, it needs to be collidable. That makes sense to me. Okay, Okay, that wasn't that big of a deal. Let's... Okay. Maybe... Okay, just as like a test, we only make it visible when there's a range at all. Again, just as a test. Okay. Maybe that's a little too close. So I think I was right with what I had it at. Let's try it again. Okay. Yes, that's good. Okay, casting's not working, but I know why. I know why. So that doesn't matter. Now, what about bow and arrow? There you... Okay, we have a range again. And it's... I don't even think... Well, hold on. I don't even think it uses that. At all. So why would I even do that? Okay. This is literally just the backboard for magic. Range doesn't need that. Range doesn't need that ever. So, goodbye. And then this attack doesn't need that either. Right? Which is fine. Yeah. Well, like, why would it? It's, I forget how this is working. It's getting... It should be getting this one. Yeah, it's getting... So, okay. This head tracker, this is like the true aim. This is aiming at everything that's collidable. Everything, right? So anything that's collidable, this head tracker will hit, and if it doesn't, it'll hit this backboard, which is really far away. And that'll work for almost every case. Now, what it doesn't work for is this. Because we want to be well, for reasons we've already discussed. All right, but I like this. I think this is actually working. Let's make it so we can cast, which is this. We're always in range now. Let's try it. Look at that. Look at that. You've got a max range now. And just to prove it works, let's up the range to 10. So this will double the range. Believe it or not, 5 times 2 is 10. And this is double range. Yeah, that checks out. That's awesome. Yeah, and the height works. All right, there's just one more issue, which is like when you aim, it like goes out, and I don't like that. You put a second pair of sunglasses on it. You can have a condition where where the else is implied in dreams, right? If less than 0 do this, you wouldn't need a condition for else. It would just be implied and run another condition. Isn't that just a not gate? Do this and else this. Wouldn't that just be a not gate? Yeah, if else, right? So why is it taking such a long time? I received this number. It should just instantly change. Is the issue that we have smoothing? Let's try turning smoothing off. Let's try turning smoothing. Let's try turning smoothing off. That's a weird sentence. Okay, what am I doing? No! Stop, please. Give me a confirmation or something. Okay. I don't want to save it locally. I think the solution is to just gradually turn this on. So we have this. We have the reticle. Maybe we even fade it in. I mean, I do like to fade in. I mean, this is not a hard problem to figure out. We can just do something like this. Maybe 0.1 seconds. That should be enough time. Double the time? Is that enough time? Like, holy moly. There we go. But now it... Oh my goodness. Is that what I want? I think it is. Yeah, that's... I 0.2 seconds is too long. That's just too long. It's really frustrating. I don't know why it takes so long. Oh. Okay, now 0.1 is working. That's much better. I don't know why 0.1 wasn't working before. I guess rewiring this fixed it. All right, cool. And for one final test, I'm going to duplicate the spell. And make the only change the range. So this will be 20 range, the other will be 10. Let's try it. So I'm going to hold R2. This is that not the 20 range one? Holding R1 doesn't even work because... Oh. My bad. Well, no wonder that didn't work. So I want... primary attack? Or main... I think it's like main attack? Main attack, not pulsed. All right, let's try that. So I hold R2. This is the 10 range. Hold R1. This is the 20 range. Look at that. That's and you can go anywhere in between. That is really nice. So it's working. If you're curious about what max range looks like, I could have just done that. Let's find out. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I think it's doing that because there's literally no ground. I think. Well, now I'm confused as to what's happening at such a high range. Is this laser scope hitting? Wait, it's only aiming for scenery. So why is it hitting? What is it hitting? We'll leave that up. This is really weird. Wait, that doesn't work either. Well, okay, so it's not a max range issue. Let's see what's going on. I mean, the little thing is right there. What the hell's going on? Wait a second. Oh, no. No. I don't want... No, that's not what I want. I want this. Oh, no. Yeah, I was transmitting where the laser scope was hitting. What I wanted to do... There you go. Was, I needed to transmit where the actual reticle was. Jesus. Okay, that's obviously working better. That was, yeah. Alrighty. We don't have to keep displaying that anymore. So that is the max range. You can aim anywhere in between. And then this one has a max range of 10. This is nice. This is really clean. Okay. Let's see. Should we make spells cost runes now? Right? How'd we do it for arrows? I don't remember. Oh, that's interesting. So did I add like a hook right into the slot? Yeah, I consume it. Oh, that's funny. I'm not gonna be able to. Well, the issue with this method is that it only does one at a time, which is fine for range, but for magic, it's not gonna just be one at a time. It could be more, because it's a way for me to balance it. Oh yeah, Yovork. No, it's all good. Now is a good time to check it out because I'm starting something new. Hey, Azrak, what's up? How's it going, dude? How's your Hellboy thing? Look at these notifications. Look at this. Collabs right at the top. Comments right under it. Sharing. I can just ignore it. It's beautiful. All right, do you have a demo set up? Or is this... Yovork, this is not a very good demo. That's okay. We can edit it. Oh, all right. Oh, hell yeah. Yo, this is cool. This works really well. How did you do this? This is really cheap. Holy shit. So you're using wireless transmitters. What? One frame delay. And basically if this guy's value is equal to the highest value, it's active. Yeah, I mean that's the idea. And you're using transmitters for this. I personally use nodes for this. How do you break ties? That's what I struggled on. That's the part. The follower? That's the part I couldn't figure out. What do you mean with a follower? Well, I figured it out, but it was not easy. The fuck? What do you mean on a follower? Do you have multiple scopes? What? Oh. What? Wait, what do you mean a follower activates tags? Are you serious? Since when? This is really cool. Nice job. Yeah, that's why mine were so like convoluted, because like breaking ties was so difficult. That's brilliant. I had no idea followers activated tags. I thought only zones did. A follower dude, wait. That's holy shit. Well, wait, then why did you overcomplicate? Why are you using Oh, I mean, okay. So you're using wireless transmitters so you're able to place these in other, like, wherever you want. But I mean, dude, literally with this technique, I had no idea that was a thing. Holy shit. I mean, you literally just need, hold on. So we have gate input. We need to hold on. Before I start deleting stuff, how does this work again? We need, oh my god. Wait, how did I do this? I wanted to get the highest priority. Oh my god, I don't even remember where hold on. I wanted it in my pathfinding, in my A-star pathfinding. Do I search A-star? Seriously. No. I think it was called Pathfinding V2. Yeah. And now it's just gone? Oh, it's just invisible. That's weird. What? In my node, I needed something like this. I needed a local exclusive gate. Yeah, this is my exclusive gate, which is like, I don't like it. It's very expensive. What was I doing? I was trying to find the largest number. The reason I didn't have to do tie checking with this is because like you manually place these down. I think. Wait, did I do tie checking with this? I don't even know. Each one had an ID, and then, oh man, dude, I don't even remember it. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is you might be able to simplify this if you if you know that all 4 are going to be on the same page. But anyway, this is really cool, dude. This is awesome. Then you realized you could use a follower. Dude, I didn't know that, and now I do. So this is a really nice thing to know. A follower will only activate 1 tag. That's awesome. That's really, really cool. Nice job. How's it going, Alpha? How many Sunday streams are in queue? That's a great question. 4, I think. 5, maybe. 3 or 2 from Boom, I don't remember. 1 from Yovork, and 1 from someone else for Dragon Quest. Hey, Azrek Sultan, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Yeah, no problem. You have none? It 100% has a use. I know, I need to add them. I know. I'll do it after this stream. Okay, we need to make runes go away when we cast a spell. We also need to make it so that you can't cast. Well, we've already made it so that you can't cast if you don't have runes, but we didn't make it so that. What we need to do is check if we have enough runes, right? So we not only need to get the ID of the rune, we need the quantity. Currently, we're just checking. Where are we doing that? Well, let's undo that. Where are we getting ammo? Right here. Okay, not only do we need the rune ID, we need to check the ammo amount. So where are we gonna put that? How about right here? So runes required. I don't know the max amount. I don't know, but yeah, whatever. So maybe let's make it 2 for this. And we are going to put that in here. I don't remember. I mean, here, let's just play. Do this. Go back into it. And okay, here we go. So we have this. Which one of these is quantity? I don't know. I'm gonna guess B. No. 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 We should have 100. Did I even pick this up? Okay, I did pick it up. Is quantity even here? Well, now I'm starting to think we don't even have quantity. Let me just check the last one. 6. Okay. We have the stats. But what we need is the amount. Where is that given? What the hell? What is this? Did I mean, obviously that's not doing anything. Okay, I don't know. It's not wired up to anything. Okay, this one. Whatever this is the current amount, right? So whatever this is wired into. We want the hovered item info, not the stats, the info, which makes sense. Info is like, well, the quantity. Stats is like how much damage and stuff. Okay, so we want the info. We want the info. Those were the equipment stats. We want item, inventory item info. Hovered. What is this called? Hovered item info. Wait a second. Uh-oh. This is only transmitting when it's hovered. I mean, what is this? This is the equipment stats. Do I include quantity with the equipment stats? Can I include quantity with the equipment stats? So the yes. Do I not already? We have the stat type. We really just don't have quantity here, do we? Oh, because okay, where would we put quantity? We would put... Oh, we need to know quantity, don't we? So I guess we can make quantity G. It's kind of annoying though. I feel like, I mean, I know why I did it this way. I could just have a transmitter just for quantity. Let's do that. Let's do that. Maybe I'm already doing it. No, I'm not. But that's the most intuitive thing to do. So we have inventory hovered item stats. Do I have like item quantity? I don't think we have save data. I could get the save data. Let's just get the save data. Why didn't I do that before? I could literally just get the save data of this slot. Spot ruins data, whatever the hell you want to call it. Not sure why I didn't think of that sooner. When can you save? You can only save when you're not in the inventory. Shit. Does your inventory save? Wait, when does your inventory save? I forget. It only saves when you're in default. So if you're in combat, it's not going to save. So it's not even going to update when you're in combat. Okay, what we can do is this. This is the easiest thing we can do. We were on the right track. So we have that transmitter, right? We have the save data transmitter. So why not just use that? So let's receive in this box inventory item, or is it item save data? I think it's just called item save data. We're going to split this. Do we even want to split this? Okay, and then we can transmit this and call it equipment runes info, I guess. Which is the ID and it is the quantity. You made a main menu. Okay, nice. What's your main menu for? I know you were teasing it on Twitter. You can't even get an opossum. Yeah, not to glitch into the ground. Well, I don't know. It's spinning in place with its head stuck in the ground. Oh boy, I don't even know how to help you there. We have equipment runes info. We're gonna go into here. So we have equipment runes stats. Let's get equipment runes info. Did I use that for something else? Oh, we got the info. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And I don't remember. I'm assuming the bottom one is quantity. Yes, the bottom one is quantity. All right. So, finally, if the existing quantity is greater than or equal to, so another way to do that, this is so annoying. Can we just have a greater than or equal to thing? Like, it's so annoying. Alternatively, if the other thing is less than it, if the runes required is less than or equal to, wait. If the runes required is not greater than, I think is the way to do it. All in due time. It's another horror game. You're making another horror game. Oh, God. I want to see episode 1, Alpha. I want to... Are you at least animating yet? Like, I want to see something. Please. Your trailer was really good. Is the whole thing going to be that art style? I assume it's not, but... I mean, maybe. I don't know. Okay. So we have the current amount and we have the required amount. If the required amount is not greater than the current amount. Oh, hi. Look at you.
Got
What do you have here?
a baby.
He's not enjoying himself.
He is.
He wants to leave. He's trying to leave. He's trying to leave.
He's having a good time.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, Pika, let's say hi. Let's say hi, buddy. Oh, he's so slippery.
This is Pika. It is not short for Pikachu. His full name is Pika. If I know you were all wondering. Okay. We are now properly handling the rune requirements. So it'll only cast if we have 2. So, I mean, let's test that. I'm gonna make it so it spawns in 1. So I can't cast the R1 spell. It's not working. I can't cast it. If I pick up another rune, now I can cast it. It's working. All right. Great. That is working. Do I really need this to be copy and pasted? Can't? I don't think I need to copy and paste this over and over. gonna try to save some thermo here. So this is the runes required. Let's transmit that. Call it magic. Runes required. And this can just be out here. And we're just going to receive the runes required. So that's a nice way to save logic, or to save thermo. And then another way I can make this, well, now to get rid of the wires. That's annoying. Maybe we do a NOT gate instead. That's super annoying. When I hover it, I don't see the name. This is the range. What about the runes required? Now the issue is the button press. See, okay, this is an issue. The button press won't even work. Button press won't even work. I don't think this is going to work because this will only, well, actually it'll be 0. So it will work. And then what? It'll immediately just turn off? I'm not sure what'll happen. So I have 1 rune, but the spell costs 2. It casts. So it just it like casts it for me, basically. Which I'm not surprised. Yeah, just... What I could do is require... No. How do I, like... Okay, one way to fix this is have both spells on the same wand require the same amount of runes, but that feels a little weird, in my opinion. Okay, I guess we do it. So to aim, it's just this. But to fire, you have to meet the rune requirements. In addition to this timer. So this won't trigger unless the rune requirements are met. And the rune requirements won't be met unless you actually have runes. Not sure if this will work, to be completely honest. Hopefully you guys understand like the issue though. If not, I can explain it. I still don't think this will work. I think I need some sort of frame delay, but let's try it. So the issue is I can't check how much it costs until after I cast it, and by then it's too late. It worked! Yes, that works. I'm trying to like go as fast as possible. No, that works. That actually works. Okay. So again, what I did was I made it so you can aim, but you can't cast unless the rune requirements are met. That's fantastic. That works perfectly. That works perfectly. Let's subtract runes now. 2020 kicked you in the balls. Yeah. You had to push some aspects of the show a bit later. You're still in the script writing phase. Oh, okay. Yeah, your schedule is very fluid. Man, so wait, you're still writing the first episode? Like, if you have the first episode script done, I would say just animate that. I just want to see something. But just take your time, obviously. You can do whatever you want. You're getting better at summaries. Well, maybe if you learn how to spell summaries. I am dropping frames, yeah. I'm not sure why. I wonder, you think it's Discord? It might be Steam. All right, let's exit Steam. Still dropping frames. Let's exit Discord. Still dropping frames. Let's exit my team's work thing. It was that? Nope, still dropping frames. I don't know. I don't even know what it could be. I have 4,700 kilobytes per second. And I'm still dropping frames. Yeah, I don't know. I'd love to know why. Oh, it's better now. All right. Let's see. You're on the count. Yeah, that's true. How do we subtract the amount of runes we want? Let's go into this again. And right here, we have consume, we have combining, and we have stack filling. And we have item combine takeaway. I don't know why. Like, why did I call it combine takeaway and combine add? Why didn't I just name this add and takeaway? Man, I'm still dropping, man. Like, I have I don't understand. No, I know it's for combining and taking away stacks. I know that. I'm saying, like, why wouldn't I just make a universal, like, hook? Not just for combining. I think I'll still use this, honestly. Or not. Like, I don't, it doesn't matter. Like, why not just, I can just do this. Item takeaway. Or maybe item, yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It truly does not matter. So one gadget's not gonna break the bank. Now we have runes required. Runes required. So we're gonna look for item takeaway, right? That's what it's called. Item takeaway. Wait, doesn't that have to be like, where does that have to be? I now know why I used consume. I used the consume thing. It's because I'm gonna have to add another zone just to do this. It's fine. It's just annoying. So here's that zone. Actually, I don't even need to do this. Oh, here's something cool I can do. So we're looking for item takeaway. Right? And the amount we're taking away is right here. Runes required. So now we're looking for magic runes required. Bam. This is the amount we're taking away. And because, well, yeah. And now we just keyframe this on for one frame. Right in the beginning, actually. I need to literally just type out exactly what this is keyframing. Otherwise, I just will have no idea. So turn on takeaway receiver in spot. Takeaway receiver in the spot. So that's good, hopefully. And we're gonna do the exact same keyframe in this. And it will consume the runes right in the beginning. Runes required, let's do 3. And the AOA is 3, this will be 1. How about that? This should just work. So I have 3 runes. Let's try casting the spell. Well, okay, see, 3. I cast the spell. Now I have 4. Yeah, that's totally what I wanted. Can anyone guess the issue? No. We need to multiply it by -1. How do you make a positive number negative? Multiply by -1. You could say, why not make this number negative? Well, I need this number to be positive for other reasons. Just for clarity, for one. But, okay. So, runes required, -1, take away. Beautiful. And let's see. I'm okay with just keeping using consume for the arrows. I'm okay with that because I don't foresee me ever having a bow take more than one arrow away at a time. Even if it's split shot, I'm still gonna do one arrow. I don't want to punish the player. Hypothetically, let's say there's split shot. It would become bad if it used 3 arrows at a time because you're not gonna normally hit all 3 arrows, so you're wasting arrows. Anyway, yeah, that just worked. I had 1 rune. Let's pick up 2. Cast. Now I have 1. Cast again. Now we have none, and I cannot cast. I can aim, but I can't cast. That's exactly what I wanted. And if we pick up, let's say 4, and I cast this one, we should have 1 rune left. Bam. Swap it with an arrow in the quick slot so we can see it without going into the inventory. Sure. So we have arrows and runes. We can do that. And then we can do this. And now I'm out of runes. This is awesome. This is really, really good. I would like to display the item I have equipped. No, it's a different slot. It was the same, but it's different because that was really annoying. Yes, it does. It does consume it if you only have 1 left. Yeah, no, it's working. It's working really well. I want something like this. Actually, I want exactly this. I want literally this. That's awesome how well that works. Hello? I'm not sure why. Okay, I guess it's too thin. I'm trying to delete cuts, but it's so thin that I don't think I can. You know, I just want to make this a square. I'm not even going to show it to the player. I literally just want this to be a square for my... Holy shit. For my, like, benefit. This is so annoying. What is going on? I blame my imp. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Okay, so I don't want quick slot data. I want main hand data. And I don't think that's a thing yet. So let's go to the quick slot and just see what I did. Yep, there it is. Quick slot data. I want... hood main hand data. That's what I want. And now we need to get that. Yeah, I could, yeah. But it's fine. I mean, this is just exactly what I want. I want it right here. And then I want the ammo potentially right here. I don't want the offhand. I don't give a shit about the offhand. I don't think the player will give a shit about the offhand either. This is cool how I can do this though. It's just this little object and it'll emit whatever data I put in it. This is really cool. So now I want HUD off, HUD. It's either ammo. Oh shit. Okay, this is slightly annoying. It's either ammo or runes, depending on the weapon you have equipped. That's annoying. Sure, yeah, I can do a voice. It isn't that much dialogue, but you think my voice would be really well. Yeah. That sounds fun. I'd love to. Pepe hands offhand feelings matter too. They don't. Better than backhand, yeah. Okay. See, this is gonna be tricky because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, frankly. I mean, I know what I'm gonna do, but it's just gonna be slightly annoying. This is, oh my goodness. This is ammo data. And this is runes data. Let's get those. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but not that tricky to be completely honest. It's just annoying. So we need to receive both the ammo data and the runes data. Which one do we display is the question. Which one do we display? Let's just do nodes. Pass it through nodes. We need to base this off of the weapon type. Hey, Ghost Root. We need to base this off the weapon type. How do we find the weapon type? It's somewhere. It's the main hand's equipment data. There's so many data transmitting whatevers. Equipment main hand stats. That's what we want. Equipment main hand stats. Based on the main hand stats is which ammo we show. I don't even know what it is, so let's figure it out. Okay, there's stat type. Is it the stat type that I want? No. I want... Oh, no. It is stat type. I want the stat type, right? Because I want to know whether it's a bow, whether it's a wand, or whether it's a melee weapon. Is it... Right? Let's find out. Yes, yes, this is what I want. Item stat type. 1 is melee weapon, 2 is ranged, 3 is sorcery. That is actually really convenient. 1, 2, 3 for the stat type, the item stat type, which is H, apparently. It's apparently H. So if I play... I don't even know where I'm looking. What is going on right now? Oh, shoot. My HUD is really small now. Okay, whatever. Frick. Okay, let's pin that to the screen and play. How about that? There we go. Yeah, H. H is what I want. So this should be 1. If I plug this in, it should immediately go to B. Yes. So if it's 1, nothing displays. If it's 2, ammo displays. If it's 3, runes displays. Perfect. That was easy. That was easy. All right. So we'll pick up that. We'll pick up that. We'll pick up that. Now, depending on the weapon, frick. That didn't work. Okay, but it's the right idea. Why didn't that work? I don't know. Okay. I need to plug it in. That's why it didn't work. Yes, look at that. You see your weapon and the appropriate ammo. Look at that. Yes, I love it. I love it. It's a game. Feels like a game. Oh, maybe we should have some sort of background. What should the background look like, though? I don't know. No shadows on the HUD? Oh, were they shadowed? Oh, they probably were, weren't they? Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know if that's actually gonna work. It might. It's... Oh! I need a light. That's what I need. I forgot. So shadows are fine on the items. That it won't actually do anything. What I want is a light. No idea how that's gonna look. And the light will not cast shadows. But there's not much I can do. I mean, I can surround it with lights, I guess. That blur kills me, man. That blur is, there's nothing I can do about it. I mean, I guess I could make it on screen. Actually, that's probably what I should do, let's be honest. Yeah. Didn't you put lights on the D-pad? I did, yeah, exactly. Of course, that doesn't help at all. It's fine. I'm not gonna worry too much about that. Because I'm dumb.
No, because you're too pretty.
Wow. Thanks.
You know why? Because your brain is small. So you have to be cute. That's how it works.
That's fair.
Except if you're vectors, then you're ugly.
The blur is just killing me. I don't even know. But like, I need motion blur for the game. I just don't want motion blur for text gadgets. Yep, look at that. Subtracts 3 though. That's awesome. This is cool. So we're in a really good spot. Okay, well, not anymore. No, we're in a very good spot. I like this. I'm not sure what I want to do next. Maybe implement enchantments. Just like the system. Because that's gonna take a lot of like back end work. It'll be using the quantity save. Like, okay, so if something can be enchanted, it can't have a quantity, right? So it'll use the quantity, if that makes any sense. Because it needs to be saved in a variable, right? And I have four numbers. I have 4 digits for that. So I'm thinking I'll have a max of 100 or 99 enchantments and max of 2 enchantments per weapon. Enemies, that would be good too. Maybe I do enemies first. I want some models though. But I'm not sure what they're gonna look like. Ember's had some really cool concept art though. Let's save this. Also, I'd like to design the UI, the HUD a little bit better. Maybe add some sort of like, add some sort of background or something. Let me show you. So look at the bottom right. It now shows you what weapon you have equipped.
That's a HUD.
As well as the D-pad in the bottom left for your
Really
quick slots.
big. I
mean,
so
I can make it smaller. Oh my god, I didn't realize my camera was covering it. I mean, motherfucker. Oh god. Oh god.
Top right.
Hold on. Wait, can you not put a folder within a folder in OBS? Okay, whatever. All right, there. In all its glory, that's what it looks like.
So cool, I guess. This is a little big.
Yeah.
I don't like that one. On the left.
What?
I don't like it.
What do you mean? It's the D-pad. It corresponds to the D-pad. That's why it looks like that. But thanks, I
It's
guess.
too big. Also, it's boring looking. It should look better.
I mean,
don't know how.
it looks like the D-pad. That's.
I don't like it. I don't think it should be black.
I can do whatever I want. I don't know. Ooh, my battery, my controller's gonna die.
How convenient. I must sleep.
But look how the runes are going down. So that's like your actual runes.
Your rocks?
Yeah.
You just carry rocks around?
Okay. How
'Cause
about the
that's
bow and arrow? How about that? Okay.
You have 7,000 arrows?
You think that's enough? Is that not enough?
How many can you have?
9,999, and
Jesus
then but you
Christ.
can have more than that. You can have more than that.
That's just...
It'll just go into another stack.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I know, but you
That's
believe it
wrong.
because it's.
I don't like
And then look, watch. You can pick some up. See,
What?
and then it adds.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
No.
It does.
No,
I
it
know.
doesn't.
It's crazy.
Stop it.
Stop the madness. I can't.
Stop it. This train is going to crazy town and I want off.
You agree with Natalie? Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll look into, well, not look into, but like I'll figure out what I want the HUD to look like.
You're a HUD.
What does that even mean? What do you mean by that? Why are you calling me a HUD?
That's who you are.
I'm a heads-up display. Is that? That's what that means, though. Lol W.
I tried really hard to study and I got like I looked through 2 lectures and I was like, I really can't do this tonight.
That's fair. Yeah, I'll make it smaller.
Just like could not.
Hunk and dud.
Okay, it's my turn.
I know, I'm getting off. So guys, I'm uploading this so you guys can test it out. Of course. Oh, check this out. Another thing I did. Look at this. So, there's a max range to this.
Nice.
No, like it goes where you aim, but then if you
stops.
if you aim too far, it stops. But you can still like cast it.
Can you spam it and ride it again?
I think so. Yeah, that we never.
I like that part. It's fun. So what's he gonna be able to do? Rocks?
It's not necessarily it. We're gonna just have a bunch of different spells. Bunch of different spells. Did I?
Can you do like tall grass?
It's not like an earthbending thing.
What,
Oh,
tall
boy.
grass is earthbending?
No, I'm saying like we're not summoning rocks. They're supposed to just be like spikes. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
So you're stealing Alka's idea and you're just making Avatar? Is that what I'm hearing?
Oh, and this current save is bugged, and I don't know why. Look at this. The animation's bugged, and I don't know why. It's weird. It's so weird. I don't know what happened with that, but I just need to restart. Oh, wait, it's still bugged. Oh no, wait. Was it doing that? What? How is that possible? Why is it bugged in the dream, but not? You know what? I don't know. Let me know if it works for you guys, because it doesn't work for me. The R1 wand animation is broken. I don't know why, but whatever. I thought I did. Yeah, I mean, the dream is update. Damn. The scene is working too. No, okay, the scene is broken. The scene is broken. That's interesting. That's really interesting. Oh, hold on. I think I know what I need to do. I think I can fix this. I just need to replace it. So the update got broke. What are you gonna do? %32%. Jesus Christ. %32%. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Because that's scary, because, like, what if I make an update with this character in, like, a bunch of different scenes, and it breaks in every single scene? You know what I mean?
Dark mode, it has been happening.
I know.
Ryan After Dark.
It's true. Alright, it should work now. Let's try it. I mean, if this doesn't work, then I have no idea. Yeah. So the update broke the animation. I might have saved it with the animation half played. I don't know. I don't know. All right, who are we going to raid? For those of you who have stayed for the imps, I appreciate it. Also, we have a new video. We have a new video. Here it is. How to add this compass into your game. It is how to make a compass. And then I'm going to show you how. So that's exciting. It's a little bit niche, but if you're looking for it, then it'll be very helpful. Yeah, you're welcome, Cram. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Thanks for watching. We got Mikey or Kataya. I haven't rated Kataya in a while. I haven't rated Mikey in a while. What do you guys want to do? Do you want to watch Mikey do Avatar Zuko's armor? Or do you want to watch Kataya? I'm not sure what Kataya does. Acer, if you're here, who's that? It's me. Wait, what do you mean, who's that? Is someone behind me? Yeah, you're welcome, Messi. All right. What are we? Who are we raiding?
That's a good point. You guys spent like 5 hours.
Oh, in the video. Oh. That's funny. Is this jam stuff? Kataya, yeah, Kataya just does Kataya things. Oh, this is cool.
I kind of wonder if they have anything in there that like,
Mikey.
Checks if people are
I'm gonna save. I'm so
downvoting.
excited.
I haven't rated. I'm gonna raid Mikey. I haven't rated him in a while. You guys are obviously free to go wherever you want, but.
I'm gonna wind down real fast. We're gonna save this.
Oh, you got someone new? It's too late, but I appreciate it. Who is it? Maybe I can follow him.
I did get 2 hours in.
You were still using your.
But I hope you guys have a great night. I will be streaming Saturday. So yeah, and by then I'm hoping to have the magic video, the magic devlog video out. Oh yeah, Nautical Swatch. Yeah. I've he's on my follow list.
Not
We did the
like
same thing
barber
to
stuff
Jackson.
because I like doing that on
We
stream.
actually banned.
I might
Jackson
set up the
second.
hands and stuff and just go and build out my that I want to use for like all characters.
Uh-oh. Is my internet dead or is his internet dead?
But so that's gonna
Okay, it's just my.
for off stream stuff. So most likely, probably not. Gonna, work.